Our priority affects our prosperity. Our addiction to God affects our addition of things. What do you do first when you wake up? What do you do when money hits your hand? What do you do the last thing at night? It determines your prosperity. God watches your heart before he puts things in your hands. The reason why there are so many people today in church that are not seeing what God wants them to see is because God is not first in their decisions. In your job decision, what is the first consideration? Is it the amount of money you will be paid? Or is it whether that work allows you time with God? I know of a billionaire. Once Monday comes, he must spend 3 hours in the morning, 7 to 10 a.m., preparing his ways before the Lord, setting out the day before stepping out in the week. 3 hours. Doesn't matter who you are. You can't call him and reach him at that time.